despite these imperfections, despite all I say, insight and recollection, I'm done with yesterday. I will lose my mind and make it real this time, to leave it all behind. I won't cry, won't show me a sign, let its will align. I'm gonna blow my mind. I won't cry, won't. The one I trusted sold me. This is overblown, but I didn't want to believe. Everyone I trusted deceived me. I will lose my mind.